Crushrr review, demo, and $2,695 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my Crushrr review. Now this is a brand new product released by David Kirby, Billy Darr and Pallab Ghosal, three amazing marketers, and it will essentially allow you to tap into multi-billion-dollar industry, which is e-commerce, selling physical products online. And the cool thing is that there are just so many more buyers when it comes to physical products comparing to online products, okay? So you don't really have to convince anyone of buying a physical product. People buy these products anyways, like cameras, TVs, any product that you can think of exists online and it already has a buyer's base, and all you have to do is just create a blog post with your affiliate link to it and make money. And the cool thing is that this software will do all of this for you, so it's fully done for you. It will find the products, it will create the blog post, it will add your affiliate link, and all you have to do is at this point is just generate some traffic, and it even generates that traffic. So it's a complete done for you solution and you can make a ton of money this way, okay? So in this video I'm going to do a little demo. I'm going to show you some examples. We're going to go through the sales page, the inside of the members area, the pricing, and the whole funnel. And obviously I have a huge bonus worth $2,695 with some custom stuff, with some done for you stuff, with resellers licenses, and a bunch of additional products that you'll absolutely love. So right now let me share my screen and let's jump into this Crushrr review. And even before I'm going to show you the sales page, I just went to Fiverr and I checked out how much people are actually charging for an e-commerce setup, okay? So if you're gonna do nothing else but just use this software to offer a service on sites like Fiverr, you can cash in on some pretty easy cash, okay? So this guy says, I will set up your Shopify store within 24 hours for 56 euro, which is like $75, and he sold 50 gigs. He has 3 orders in queue, as you can see. So you know, people are actually buying these gigs, and you know, they're willing to pay $75 just for a simple setup. I found another one. I will create a storefront for your Amazon product. 86 sold for $100. So you know, this person made $8,000 just, you know, setting up storefronts for Amazon products, which is exactly what you can do with Crushrr. You know, it's fully automated. You don't have to do really much work at all. And I found this one as well. I will promote and increase sales of your e-commerce site. 71 sold for $60. So there's a ton of money to be made, even if you don't want to own an actual store yourself, even if you don't want to be dealing with any of this yourself. You can offer a simple gig, and guess what? You can even hire a VA to be delivering these gigs for you, and you can just cash in on the money, okay? So all you have to do is just hire a VA, part-time, full-time, whatever, pay them $200, $300 a month, and you know, start selling these gigs. You know, with 3 of these gigs, you will be able to hire a VA full-time, and as you can see, you know, this person sells hundreds of these gigs, okay? So this is what you can do with Crushrr, apart of setting this up for yourself. And obviously you can set up a e-com store for yourself and cash in on a lot of money, okay? So as you can see, the sales page says Crushrr instantly tap into a billion-dollar marketplace for free traffic and sales in 60 seconds. Let me scroll down. Obviously you have the full sales page right here. You can check it all out in your own time. As you can see, people are buying physical products online more and more and more, and this trend will only grow. This is a simple 3-step process. Obviously these guys have some massive proof behind this. This is all automated, so you don't have to actually do anything. And as you can see, Billy Darr, David Kirby, Justin Opay, and Pallab Ghosal, these are the 4 guys behind this product, all 4 amazing marketers. So again, Crushrr, this is the name of this product, software, and training. I'm going to show you all of this in a second. Scrolling down here, and some testimonials. Obviously they're gonna have some bonuses, and I'm gonna get my bonuses on top of whatever these guys are giving away. Then we have a little sum up, a little FAQ in the end, obviously a 30 days money back guarantee. So that's essentially it. You can go through all of this in your own time. And right now let me show you the inside of the members area. So as you can see, you have the dashboard right here. You can access all of the campaigns right here. So I'm not going to be doing a full demo right now because I would have to connect my accounts, etc. But I'm going to have a full demo both on my blog and on my YouTube channel as always. So the video that I will upload after this one will be the demo, and you can check it out. And if you're watching on my blog, right below this video you're gonna find the demo video, so check out the full demo as well. Right now I just wanted to show you all of the options. Okay, so again, on the dashboard you can access all of your campaigns. Then we have the settings. As you can see in the settings, you're gonna have to add your WordPress blog. Okay, so this can be a WordPress blog owned by you or by your customers that you're doing this for. You can download the plugin right here, and then we can access campaigns. And as you can see, you have a demo video right here. So all you have to do is just paste the code, then find an article, then spin and move the content, and then publish. So a simple 4-step process. We're gonna add the campaign title, unique code name, and then paste your code here. That's for your affiliate link, and that's it. These blog posts with your affiliate link will be automatically generated, and once your blog post will be actually created, it will be looking like this. Okay, so as you can see, we have thousands of words created. This is a unique article, which means that Google loves it. It will actually find it, promote it for you. You can go to the top of Google with these. And as you can see, we have these images right here. Now, all of these images are clickable links, and if you're gonna click on it, this will open up Amazon, and obviously this will be your affiliate link. Okay, so if someone will buy through your affiliate link, you're gonna get a commission. And the cool thing is that, you know, when it comes to like Canon or you know, anything expensive like TVs or mobiles or, you know, cameras, you don't have to do any of the selling, because people already know these brands. People already know that they want to buy something like this, and all you have to do is just get in front of people with your affiliate link to them. Okay, so as you can see, we have another one right here. So, you know, we get the camera, we get the lens, and we also have the tripod right here. So, you know, if someone will end up buying all three, you're gonna get commissions on all three. And as you can see, you know, we have a nice little description right here. Obviously all of this is customizable, so you can just use this as is. You can add your own stuff, you can add your own images, you know, whatever you want to do to the blog post. But this was generated in under a minute, and this is exactly what you can start making money with. So again, what I would recommend is just find expensive products like cameras, like mobiles, like TVs, like, you know, anything that is a few $100s or a few $1,000s, so your commission will be nice and fat. Okay, so as you can see, this is exactly how it works. Super simple. A part of the plugin, you're getting a full video training on how to use it and also how to make money with it. So you are covered with that. And right now let's check out the funnel and the pricing. Okay, so first of all, let me just mention the prices, and then I'm going to show you exactly what each OTO is. Okay, so first of all, the main product will be $22.95, then upsell number 1 $67, upsell number 2 $47, upsell number 3 $197, upsell number 4 $47, and upsell number 5 $197. And I have a full written review ready for you guys right here, so you can check it all out. So as you can see, with the main product, you're gonna get the software, the video training, the case study, and obviously you can create Amazon affiliate stores with your links automatically added to them. Then we have upsell number 1. This upgrade will unlock unlimited affiliate commissions and automatically find winning Amazon products you can promote as an affiliate. So if you want to take massive action and create a 7-figure store, that's the upgrade that you can definitely consider. Then we have upgrade number 2. This upgrade will teach you how to make as much as $100,000 with Amazon FBA per month. Okay, so if you want to take massive action and start making 6 figures per month, that's the upsell you definitely want to consider. Then upsell number 3. So this is a massive done for you package. Okay, so obviously you can do all of this yourself and you know, go through the whole setup and everything else, or you can just grab the done for you package and have it all set up for you and just save the time, save the headaches. Then we have upsell number 4. As you can see, this is the reseller's license, which means that you can get 100% commissions when promoting this product as your own on the whole funnel. Okay, so not only the main product, the whole funnel, and obviously, you know, me promoting this as an affiliate, I'm getting 50% commissions. If you want 100% commissions and the guarantee that you will actually be approved to promote it, that's upsell number 4. And we got upsell number 5. This is a custom setup for you, okay? So a physical person from their team will actually log into your accounts and they will set up everything for you. So squeeze pages, thank you pages, the autoresponder sequence, you know, the whole setup, connecting it all together. So this is actually a service. This is not you know, like a product. This is actually an actual service where someone logs into your accounts and does the setup for you. So as always, OTOs are optional and you'll be fine with the main product alone. But if you want to make your life a little bit easier, like with the done for you package or the done for you setup, or if you want to make more money with the 6-figure per month Amazon FBA training, then by all means you can definitely pick up one of these OTOs up, or a few of them, okay? Right now let me show you all of my bonuses, because again I have a total of $2,695 worth of bonuses, and most of it is custom made. This, I'm going to give you resellers licenses, I'm going to give you doubles of the day awarded products and more. So first of all, I made a custom made bonus for Crushrr, and this is everything about selling on eBay, okay? So obviously you can make money on Amazon, but if you want to make even more money on eBay, that's my custom bonus to Crushrr. And I'm not done, because obviously you're gonna get free resellers licenses to my own products. Now this upgrade alone is worth $500. You're gonna get a reseller's license to Instavit, to Traffic Trapper, and to Traffic Extractor Ultimate, okay? So this is something that is currently selling, and you can check it out. If you would want to buy these free resellers licenses, you would have to pay $500 right now, okay? Buyers List Ninja, my course on how to create a buyer's list, definitely super useful, especially with Crushrr. Blaze, everything you need to know about generating free traffic from Facebook, including a case study where I made $400 in a day. Then you're gonna get some softwares, okay? You're gonna get push button traffic software 3.0, you're gonna get auto affiliate machine 2.0, you're gonna get viral commission machine and other software number 4, super affiliate class, and then I got some W's of the day awarded courses for you, $100 daily, 3-minute commissions, $171.07 per day, copy profit case study, the fastest way to $169 per day, Tube commission loophole, Flip Me, my flipping course, which is great, especially if you're doing e-com. I'm gonna get my Tube Traffic Avalanche course, you're gonna get my case study, you're gonna get all 9 of these plugins and software, Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant plugin Biz, sales page writing software, Squeeze Page Creator, TrueText, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar, and Shortcode CTA. And on top of all this, you're gonna get my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses. So my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500. You can check it out by going to artofmarketingblog.com/mega bonus. So you can check it out. Again, this bonus alone is worth $1,500, and together with all these bonuses that I mentioned, you get a total of $2,695. Okay, so guys, again, I have a full written review right here on my blog. You can check it all out. I have a demo video right here, so check the demo video as well. And just to sum up this review, Crushrr review, okay? So first of all, this is a fully automated Amazon affiliate system. You can tap into a multi-billion-dollar industry, and the cool thing is that you actually don't have to convince anyone of buying these products, because people will buy them anyways, okay? It comes with a complete video training, proven to get results. So these guys actually had a beta test group that tested the software, so you know that it works and it has 0 bugs. It's all done for you and saves you hours of work, and it's professionally looking, which means that you're going to boost your conversions, okay? So if you decide to pick it up from my link, and all you have to do is just click on one of these blue links right here on my blog, or if you are on YouTube, just click on the first link in the description to go directly to the sales page. The second link will take you to my blog. Pick it up from my link to get all of the bonuses, and Crushrr will be going live on October 24th at 9 AM Eastern. If you have any questions, always please leave me a comment or on my blog or on my YouTube channel. Please give it a like on YouTube, I really appreciate it. Please subscribe to the channel for more video reviews just like this one. So guys, this was my Crushrr review by David Kirby, Billy Darr, Justin Ope, and Pallab Ghosal, 4 amazing marketers. Pick it up through my link to get all of the bonuses, and I'll be seeing you very shortly in my next review video, and check out the demo as well. Ciao!